Alright, hello everybody, Ian here, and I'm going to be walking you guys through a unboxing of our new Hoka and Engineered Garments collaboration that we just got here in the shop. EG teamed up with Hoka for the Bondi L in 3 different colorways. We did the taupe, the black, and then the leopard print. Each one of these featuring a hair-on leather with a bit of suede as well. The Bondi L, which was actually a 2011 model from Hoka. It was known as the original max cushion road shoe. So this is definitely a functionality meets fashion collaboration here. This shoe does fit true to size, so your usual sneaker size, go with that. This shoe features a sandwich mesh upper to provide increased breathability. It's got an early stage meta rocker to offer a smooth ride. If you ever have worn a pair of Hokas, you know it does feel like walking on a cloud. Highly recommend these for everyday walkers or light hikes and stuff like that. This shoe is really clean. I think the black with the hair-on leather gives you a really slick look. And it keeps it a little conservative by having everything black here. And I think compared to the other colorways of this collaboration, this is probably the most low-key of them all with the black, because it's really hard to notice the hair-on until you're up close. So this is the taupe colorway. Same thing here with the hair on. Basically just the taupe version of that black one we just saw. I think this one's a little more, let's say, noticeable with the hair on, whereas the black, it was a little more covert. I really like this one. I really like how this Hoka brand came out right here, how that matches with the rest of the taupeness of the shoe. I've always really liked Hoka's this specific colorway. I know they do this in a lot of other different silhouettes of their shoes, and I think with the addition of the hair on, it kind of gives it just an extra step up above the rest. It's a really cool shoe here. Saving the best for last, we've got the leopard print. Same thing, it still has the hair-on leather, but with the leopard print, it's a bit less noticeable than on the black and the taupe. I really enjoy the color that is achieved here. It's a very bright tan khaki. I think it really helps bring out this leopard print, and I think overall makes this a very exotic looking shoe. Keep in mind the outsole does feature a high abrasion rubber for the durability, while also keeping the shoe really lightweight. So like I said, light hikes and stuff, these can definitely be taken on trails. And back to the beginning of functionality meets fashion, you should be able to take these anywhere, put them through whatever test, all the while looking the best that you can be.